Hey guys, me, Misha, everything I say is not financial advice, my personal opinion. Let's wrap up our day. Uh, Sound is good. Starting from the top. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Market doesn't want to give up. Like, still cannot break the level. Still remains strong. Look at this. Everyone who expected to speculate on the war, ate because it's not a war, it's just like you can't call it a war. It's a beating. It's not a fight, it's a beating. So like I don't think United States is in all the reality is afraid of this. Even Israel could have been, you know, concerned, but or United States has to be afraid of. It's still so high out there. Technically it's transition extreme, but so let it be so. Let's clean up the mess. It's too tight on monthly. Look at this guy. Even Tiro tries to raise its ears as it's been established today. Then put your ears down is a Russian proverb, meaning don't like lose your spirit. I got a spam text saying that Elon Musk's SpaceX is about to go public and analysts will reveal three highly potential one of them. What's up? People are spamming. People are spamming. Is SpaceX about to go public? That would be an interesting development. To the beautiful triangle, narrowing triangle. It is. Boom. Let's bring me the test after this strength. Look what Rosneft has done. Turn. No. Sorry. Rules are rules. Correction. Goes up and up. So it corrected the level. What can I do? If I use like an old new spread the rule, so it's gonna be like bullish bar and then bearish in between and then bearish in between. But in reality, who am I fooling? SanDisk is absolutely crazy. It's volumed. Wells Fargo. One bar reversal. What can you do? One bar reversal. It's a good and interesting level. Booms. And volume 2 bar spring. Sorry. Yeah, I decided to well, it also corrected the level. It's bullish, it's bullish. It's the first bar that interacts with. So and it's strange, so went too far down. The dividend volume. Look at Raspatska. Too much of a volume anyway, so it's like ridiculous to trade it like this. So that was the biggest volume. Isn't it crazy? And this level is done. Isn't it crazy? There's one player on the Russian stock market now, and it's a government. So it's about to closing correction. Probably. This is closing correction. So so this bar level, I don't think it's a good reaction bar, and it's too far above 0.5. This is wild. This is wild. It's clear it's gonna close in corrections, so more so. Oh, Yandex. I don't know. I don't know. Look at the McDonald's. I'm loving it. Volume 2 bar spring bounces of this volume and goes higher. Dude, that's a break and a very powerful one. Yeah, this makes no sense anymore. Break. First sign of break. First sign of the change of direction. It's on the line. Change of direction and confirmation. So UPS is good for this one by reversal can be not real. Yeah. Easily. Goes down. This thing goes lower. Netflix. Netflix. Still holds. It changed direction. Why am I looking at it? Well, technically it's on volume spring, so I don't have to. I change direction here anyway, yeah, so nothing here. Okay. We got a new transition extreme. Volumed. Transition extreme. Doge. It will take time to clean out the mess. It's volumed. Sorry. This thing goes lower. Just fell down. The graphic packaging is extremely graphic. Yeah, look how fast it's falling down. Is unvolumed. Don't. Sharp. Sharp. XLI. XLI. And the market is closed. For better or worse. I'm gonna finish, I guess. We got a local extreme on MSTR. TR. God, you can't even pronounce the letters. The letters. Shall is in a break. It's good for continuation of the trend. On volume spring. It's at the level, but and this spread is not bigger than 11%. 12, so it doesn't qualify for sign of strength. This also is madness. It just like it just shows how unique is the market, and it can be like sign of strength because it's like lower. I was going down a 1 bar rule, and then just so happens that it appears to be the level. Huh. Look at this guy. Come back. Oh shit. Dang. It's getting there. That's a break. That level would be interesting. Far deep in the neutral zone, but we didn't activate the supporting zone yet. Unvolumed T1. The rest just doesn't. Oh, sorry. um, it's actually the right direction. Confirmed a change of direction, so monthly watch list at the most. What can you do? It's a massacre. And anyways, we are looking short. We are watching for short. Look at this. It's like it's setting up beautifully for a crash on dividends, core energy. Huh, I see you. You want to hide from me, but you can't. Because I see you. Boom. And it's a break. And that would be the sign of strength. And that's good for continuation of the trend. And that's not a sign of strength because its spread is narrowing. That's the sign of strength. Oops. And then how did we get a change of direction here to begin with? Yeah, that's how we got the change of direction. And confirmation, so see you when I see you. Some break. That's a change of direction, so also, and confirmed. So you can go. We're like way too close to annual level. Anyway, it's a massacre. And volume too high up there. Doesn't make any sense. It's to come here probably. Changed, confirmed. Can go. Adobe. It's a monthly watch. Again, this is not a sign of strength. Catching myself doing these silly mistakes. And it's continuation of the trend. So, but previous T2 just doesn't make any sense. Maybe, baby. I don't think it's good for anything, but like volume up thrust, you didn't need a test 0.5. Everything was beautiful test if you needed. Um, transition extreme. At least in my visible area, I'll be removing all the extra stuff. And from monthly one day as well. Just like too much right now to deal with. um, oh, it's a continuation of the trend. And so is such. So on viral. And so is such. No, that's not what I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking for. Am I just being lazy? Is it easier just like to draw a new, or you know what, it is a level because there was like two bars and then it was a change of direction and confirmed, so never mind. It's good for monthly watch. Something like this. Then it went lower. And I don't need this level anyway. Bro. Like this. Um, I got transition extreme. Asaya. Asaya. Yeah, so be it. Where's the volume? Where's that volume? Boom. The celebration was not that long on the Russian stocks. It's just like retailers try to. Guys, I kid you not, it's Russian retailers trying to raise their ears, and then institutional comes in, and every time there's like a opportunity to sell, they're like sell. Not until the Ukrainian war is over, we'll see anything good on Russian market. Okay, I made it through the list meantime. Good job. Um, cool. I'll see you when I see you.